Pulse Nightclub.
Pulse Nightclub.
Pulse Nightclub, the beat of Cincinnati. Live with DJ Saab. DJ Saab.
So, my 21st birthday is coming up. 30th. August 6th, right here at Pulse Nightclub. You know, I actually got my start in this building. It was a club back then, Oscar's Nightclub. I was 18 years old. This is where I got my start DJing. This is where it all began. I never thought that I'd be 12 years later doing all that I'm doing with DJing, doing the radio, doing everything I'm doing. I started thinking about kind of how much has changed in 12 years. Gas was 92 cents a gallon. Napster first came out in 1999. I graduated high school in 99. I actually had a pager, I think.
I'm not getting a sig on my beeper.
If you needed to get a hold of me, page me.
Business.
Britney Spears' Baby One More Time was at the top of the charts. Ricky Martin, Livin' La Vida Loca. One of the biggest club songs at the time, though, was DJ Kool, Let Me Clear My Throat. That was like the anthem. I gotta take it back a little bit. DJ Kool will be here on my birthday.
Let me clear my throat. Let me see those hands again. Hang on now. Hey, everybody jump, 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 jump. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Come on, listen.
All right, so Saturday, August 6th, 9 p.m. The doors open right here at Pulse Nightclub. It'll be my 21st birthday celebration. 30th birthday celebration. DJ Kool performing live. DJing while I'll be over there at the bar drinking with you. So, hope to see you in Pulse Nightclub. August 6th, my birthday. DJ Saab. Thank you.